should have at least 2 of them. NT! Okay, NT! Cool down. What are you doing? You need to get out here! Who are you? Hey, wait!
Are you alright?
What kind of power are you? Better than because we don't drag.
What? You check?
Yes.
Someone messed up with the ATM machine, and because of that, the security system is alerted.
You need to see my mom!
It's useless. Anyway, I found something strange at the library. Let's go there. Let's go.
It's down here. No. You guys, wait up.
What are you doing? I activated the control system called Dramath and installed the computer in our school to implement users.
This logo will appear on my screen now.
Somehow we need to solve this mystery to find it out. Anyway, who are you?
Oh, I'm Hank, a programmer.
I'm Sina, Bossa. I'm Nick, an investigator. Anyway, let's start the game now. Alright.
Computer around the school compound will be activated, and quizzes will be shown on the computer screen. All of you need to solve the quizzes, and clues may be given so that we can find a way together. And use this pen drive. It will copy every piece of information that you get.
Wow, I'm so lucky. So this is the question. The question numbering is so weird. For this question, 2QRS times 4 equal to SRQ2. It means that something times 4 is equal to 2 at the behind. Then it has to be 3 times 4 equal to 12 or 8 times 4 equal to 32. But 3 times 4 is wrong because it will become a 5-digit number. That is because P is equal to 2 and 2 times 4 is equal to 8, and if S equal to 3, it has to add up to become a 2-digit number which is not valid. And Q times 4 must be less than 10 or S will not be 8, so Q must be 1 or 2. Eventually we will get 2178 times 4 equal to 8712. Thus QRS is equal to 178. And so this is the hint that we get. Well, that is quite hard. It's time for the next question. The sum of odd numbers and odd number with even number and even number will get an even number. Only the sum of odd and even will get an odd number. So from the sum, we get that even number is equal to 20, while odd number is equal to 25. We assume that odd number is A and even number is 10 minus A. So there are 25 ways to add out. That means A times 10 minus A is 25. And there are 5 even numbers. Well, to make this easy, it can be represented in a triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, it will be 5 square root of 3. And then by this way, the answer is E. Well, the last question is obvious. By observing the shape, the protruding part is facing left, but it faces right for A. So the answer is A. So there are 4 hints from the question.
Calm down. What is the For the first question, you need to know the factor of 2015, which is 1 times 5 times 13. Well, 2 power of 5 is 32. So by this way, 32 minus 1 is equal to 31. So y is 5. And 2 power of y minus 1 is equal to 31. then it's now clear that 2 power of x
Plus
1 is equal to 5 times 13, which is 65. So x is 6, as 2 power of 6 is equal to 64. So the value of xy is 30. For the last question, we need to know the statistical measure for the result in ascending orders. Okay. So the statistical measure is mode, mean and median. Mode is the number with the highest frequency, which is 31. And median will be the number at the middle of this sequence, which is 33. And mean will be the sum of number divided by how much numbers are there. So it is 396 divided by 11 and we get 36. So the answer is 6. Shall we begin? See, everyone is here now. Let's see what we got here.
I think all of you should see this first. I found a chart containing the symbol of the questions. Wow, this is. The chart contains Greek letters including how to pronounce it. So how will this help us?
The question numbering with Greek symbols may actually mean some things.
We can use this chart and translate it into modern alphabet.
Then we will get a clue to get out of here.
Not so fast. We can't even solve these mysterious questions.
No, we can. I get a hint that says for a task, the answer is divisible by 17s. Which means you just need to divide every number by 17s.
That means the answer is the last number.
Wow,
My calculator is so fast. They didn't call me mathematician for nothing.
are you sure? You look stupid. I saw you fainted in front of the gate and shot for mother. You should go back to the kindergarten to say next.
Hey, don't teach him! Stop it, Hank. While you are bullying him, I have solved another question. For the question data, the answer is no. Why? Because all the number arranged from the number cards 1 to 9 is divisible by 9, as all the digits of the number add up to 45. No! Question! It's disappearing!
Something is wrong. My computer has been hacked by INTEC security system wirelessly. Now we can get out of here.
How can this be?
That is the only one my interface is.
What? Look! No!
Well, it's fixed now.
This is bad. Question M and P2 is gone.
Sorry, I seem to can't remember the answer for question P2.
Well, I remember that M is 1.
Well, don't lose hope.
What? But we have lost all the questions and answers.
We didn't lose our memory. I still remember. So, D is 11.
Alright, successfully access the security system and I found the password is N.
Alright, let's get out of here.
You lie, Hank. P1 and M is not 1.
Yeah! I don't answer the same.
Well, from the question that I have answered, I get a hint that M is really the password, but you have deleted M and P to cover out, as M is equal to P. From the clue that I get, pi is equal to micro.
Yeah. 1 is not a prime number. A prime number is a whole number greater than 1. There's only 2 whole number factors are 1 and it's...
Well, I'm just kidding. Why is it of you acting so serious?
Well, how do I explain the wireless hacking to your computers?
Well, it's obvious the wireless connection is switched on and it hacked my laptop.
Okay, arrest him. He's lying.
What?
Yeah, no Wi-Fi connection and that even mobile network connection.
But then, is it illogical? Why would I want you to collect information if I want to delete it?
No, that means you get trapped in some compound and you think that passing the pen drive to us will help you to obtain information.
But then you don't want us to get out, and so you delete all the information in our pen drive.
Yeah, I also think so.
You are right. I am exposed. I am the person that steals at this INTEC student money, but thanks to Sina Punch, the ATM machine security is alerted and I get dragged away.
Well, then hand me that.
You won't have a chance. I have put a bomb to destroy the INTEC Education College. Ha ha ha! Here! Hey! Wait a minute. Yeah. We need to stop a bomb!
The password is 2.
Yeah.
Where are we? What kind of you?
And I am